Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to fly quadcopter in Unreal environment using the airsim tool. Basically airsim simulation environment we will use to fly quadcopter in this Unreal environment. Now to start this we'll first start our quadcopter visualization in this Unreal environment. For that you need to go to this arrow and start play button. Once you'll click on the button, you'll have a selection of the vehicle where you like to use car simulation. Choose no to use quadcopter simulation. As we are more focused on the quadcopter simulation, we'll go for the no option. Now once you click on no, you will get a quadcopter in this screen. This is Unreal environment, and now we need to control this quadcopter using our own customized script, Python script. Before that, I need to highlight one more key thing, which is this settings.json file. This will be in your document airsim folder. In this setting.json file, if you don't have this line of code, your quadcopter will not work. So for that you need to write exactly the same line of code which is mentioned over here. If that is not there in your settings.json file, this is curly braces, then settings version colon 1.2, then comma, then sim mode and multi-rotor, then vehicle type drone 1, and then simple flight, and for auto create mention true. After this, complete this line of code. You can directly copy paste or write this one. Now once you are ready with this, your quadcopter can work properly with your Python virtual environment. Now here I am using this PyCharm IDE for the virtual environment. I have already created the virtual environment here. Now it's time to control our quadcopter. By default, we'll also get hello drone script from airsim side, but that script has very limited features. It can only ask for the press enter button, which will allow to do a customized already written thing in the code. Now we want to make more customizable quadcopter, that is more controlled by our own keyboard. It should move based on the command given by us. So now I have created this Python script. The script will be in the description itself. So what it will do, it will having these features to control the quadcopter, which is like once it is taking off autonomously or automatically, we have to, if we want to move quadcopter forward, we can press W button and hit enter, and for backward we can press S button and hit enter. Similarly, for left we press A, and for right press D. For up press Q, and for down press E. Now for hovering at one place or stopping, if it is on the ground, you can press X button. If you want to exit from the flying, you can just write exit and hit enter. So let's simulate our environment, and let's fly our quadcopter using these buttons. Now this is our vehicle which is going to fly. So first we need to run this script. So we'll hit enter. So this line of code basically are saying that go to the Python script, and this is basically the directory or location of that Python script, and this is the same name of the Python script. So Python client multi-rotor hello drones, this is the location, and then once you click it, now your quadcopter start taking off. So it is start taking off. We have these options to move our quadcopter. So first we will go slightly more higher. So we'll press Q button and then press enter. Now after pressing enter, you will get some altitude for your quadcopter. More altitude, more press Q. Now we have certain height of our quadcopter. If you want to go forward, press W, and if you want to go backward, press S. As of now, these movement from one location to other is fixed in the code itself. As you can see here, this is fixed at 2001 minus 2. So basically 2 steps ahead. If it is in the feet, then it will be 2 feet ahead. If it is in the meter, 2 meter ahead, and so on. So 2 and respective unit. Now for S, we have the movement in that direction. Now we have other options here. For example, moving left and right. So for moving left we can press A. Your quadcopter will move two step in the left side, and then for the right we can press D, and in your quadcopter moves towards right. So more customizable. Though more work is required, more you can customize this Python code to control your quadcopter such that, like, if you press, it will move. Pressing the keyboard, for example, in a game, if you move any vehicle, for example in a car, if you are moving a car using the WSAD buttons, then you similarly you can move your quadcopter as well. So more customization. So that kind of code we can update here. So basically now we are able to fly our quadcopter in virtual environment using airsim and this customized Python script. Thanks for watching.